Meaning of descant recorder.
Descant recorder.
Descant recorder.
Descant recorder.
Descant recorder. The descant recorder is a musical instrument that belongs to the family of woodwind instruments. It's sometimes referred to as the soprano recorder because it produces high-pitched notes. The instrument has a cylindrical shape and is usually made of wood or plastic. It has 8 finger holes and a thumb hole, which the player covers and uncovers to produce different notes. Playing the descant recorder requires a fair amount of skill and breath control. When played correctly, the instrument can produce beautiful and delicate melodies that are perfect for classical and early music genres.